In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money in Pocket Broker. So to do this, you actually have three ways. The first one is going to be to tap at the very top right where you can see a green wallet inside the app. So if you tap on that, it's going to allow you to quick top up your account that's currently selected. Now, of course, here you have to select your payment method. This is how to add money, not how to add a crypto. So we're going to select one of these options. You can go and pick whichever one you want and then continue, okay? So here you have to type in the amount as well. And of course, you can press continue and you're going to go to the next page, which I'll show you in just a few seconds. So in this case, if I tap on continue and pay over here, it's going to take me over here, but I'll show you how to get here other ways as well. So the second method to actually top up is going to be the following. You can also tap at the very top where it says your account. So currently I'm on my real account. If I go and tap on that, oops, there we go. If I tap on that, as you can see, I can switch my accounts. And whenever I try to switch them, there's also an option to top them up. So if I tap on that, it's going to go to my deposit page where I can add money as well. Now, the third way is going to be to tap in the top left where you can see your profile icon. And here it says deposit just below your info, or you can go to finance. And then when you do that, you can tap on deposit here. So a bunch of ways they do the same thing. In here, you can search for your deposit method and see all the popular ones. Now, depending on your location or the time of you watching this video, some of these may be available or not, and some new ones may also be on the list. So, of course, it's not this is not a list which is here always. So, if you want to, of course, add money, we're not going to go over crypto, but you can add crypto as well. So, find something like bank over here or go to popular or something similar. There's a bunch of different ways to do this. You also have e-payments and stuff like that. So, we're just going to focus on the bank section right now. Now, each and every single deposit method to add money is going to be a bit different, but all of them follow the same principle. You have to tap on them. So, for example, if I want to select Paytm, you have to tap on it, type in the amount up top, and then you have to select here, where if you have a promo code, you could also type it in. Then you have to type in the first name, last name, your phone number, and the UPI ID. And when you do that, tap on continue and pay at the bottom, and you'll be directed to a separate page where you will get your own personal payment details to actually add your money. And that's going to happen with each and every single thing. So as you can see, if I go to UPI, for example, it's the same page over here. If I go to something like Phone PE over here, again, same thing. And if you go to GPay or Google Pay, it's going to be the same thing as well, okay? So that's essentially how to add money in Pocket Broker. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.